Dear viewers, Drishti IAS welcomes you to the new series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is UNHRC, that is United Nations Human Rights Council. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. The United Nations General Assembly or UNGA has suspended Russia from the Human Rights Council amid its ongoing war with Ukraine. Now let's discuss about United Nations Human Rights Council, that is UNHRC. The Human Rights Council is an inter-governmental body within the United Nations system. It is responsible for strengthening the promotion and protection of human rights around the world. Now let's discuss about its formation. The Council was created by the United Nations General Assembly or UNGA in 2006. It replaced the former United Nations Commission on Human Rights. The Office of the High Commissioner for Human Rights, that is OHCHR, serves as the Secretariat of the Human Rights Council. OHCHR is headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. Now let's discuss about its members. It consists of 47 member states which are elected by the UN General Assembly or UNGA. The UNGA takes cognizance of the candidates' contribution to the promotion and protection of human rights as well as their voluntary pledges and commitments in this regard. Equitable geographical representation forms the basis of distribution of seats. Group of African states 13, Group of Asia Pacific states 13, Group of Eastern European states 6, Group of Latin American and Caribbean states 8, and Group of Western European and other states 7. Members of the Council serve for a period of 3 years and are not eligible for immediate re-election after serving 2 consecutive terms. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements regarding UN Human Rights Council. 1. All the members of the United Nations General Assembly are also members of the UNHRC. 2. It is headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. Which of the above statement or statements is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.